At Charming Colours, we have always believed that kids can be moulded into creative geniuses from the early stages of their lives. We have a range of courses that cater from 4-year-olds to adults. Charming Art School was born with a vision to become a leading art school in Sydney, and our goal is to become a hub for kids and adults alike to explore the canvas and discover their inner artist. Let's take a look at what the students have to say.
I really like art and I enjoy coming here, and it's a thing that I look forward to for the whole week.
And we've learnt so many different techniques and styles on how to paint.
I am coming here since 1 year, and my teacher is really nice. Whenever we do a mistake, she fixes it up.
So don't wait. Enroll into our next term for discovering the artist in you.